Folic acid, the magic vitamin we often link to pregnant women. But is it just a woman's vitamin? Let's bust that myth today. So, what exactly is folic acid? It's the man-made version of folate, a B vitamin, specifically B9, that helps our bodies make DNA, produce red blood cells, and fuel healthy cell growth. Think of it as the construction crew working behind the scenes to keep your body running smoothly. Now let's talk about why women, especially those who are pregnant, need it. Doctors recommend folic acid before and during early pregnancy to help prevent birth defects like spina bifida. That's why you'll see it in every prenatal vitamin and hear it brought up in every doctor's appointment. But here's a surprise. Men need folic acid too. It plays a huge role in healthy sperm production, helps with DNA repair, your body's own antivirus system, boosts heart health, and supports brain function. Low folic acid in men has even been linked to poor fertility and a higher risk of certain chronic diseases. Quick fact studies show men with higher folate levels have fewer sperm DNA abnormalities. So where can you get your fill? You don't need to pop pills unless your doctor tells you to. Folate is found naturally in spinach, oranges, lentils, and fortified cereals. For most adults, about 400 micrograms a day is enough. But, as always, talk to your doctor before starting any supplements. So, myth officially busted: folic acid is not just for women. It's a universal health booster. Whether you're building a baby or just want to keep your cells happy, you need it. Remember, take care of your health, not just gender stereotypes. If you liked this myth-busting video, give it a thumbs up, share it, and don't forget to subscribe to Knowledge Nest for more science-backed health facts every week. Comment below, did you think folic acid was just for women?